Bob's happy. He bought a car. But the AC stopped working the first week. Bob tried to contact Larry's Used Cars, but they're not responding to him. Bob searches Motors Defense for help. A demand letter was sent to Larry's Used Cars. Larry's Used Cars wants to help Bob now. Problem solved. Now Bob's happy again. They helped him save time, save money, and made him feel empowered. Bob can now stress less and live more. Contact us today with any problems or disputes that you may have.